I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello. With the Builderall, you can create WordPress blogs. When you are in your back office, you click on Install More Tools, and there you will have the list of available tools. There are many in Builderall. So you go at the bottom, because I have installed all the tools, and the new one, WordPress Site Builder. You click here, you say Add, and now it will be available. So I can go to it. So it's very easy to set up. It's really a one-click setup. Just click here, create a website. I have a domain. I don't have a domain. I put use subdomain. So I will just be very simple. Uh, blog Builderall Rockstar.com. Check connection. Of course, because Builderall Rockstar.com, I have already associated this domain name to my Builderall account, so it should be very quick. So I have the connection; it's fine. If you don't, you can check, and it will be easy. So digital marketing blog, language English. So then here, what we are doing is just some settings that we should do usually with WordPress. Now I can choose my WordPress admin user. So just give a username like James, easy. A password. What can I put? The simple one. Yes. Okay. So everything looks fine. Create website. Please wait. The creation of the website has been requested. So it's creating. I'm waiting. I don't know how long we have to wait. I didn't do it. And so you can create as many WordPress as you wish. I think we have to check this. But it's very good. Because before in Builderall, the problem was that people wanted a web hosting company where they could install WordPress for their blog. But in Builderall, there is a very good web editor called Pixel Perfect. And with Pixel Perfect, you can do blogs. But people know WordPress already. They want to use WordPress for their blog. And so that was a problem, because it was not possible to install WordPress on Builderall. But now, it's fine. For this, I don't know if we need to wait or not. Looks like it, yes, because the page is refreshing. So it should give me the go ahead when it's ready. So that's how you do it. And now that it's done, you have two buttons, open site and open admin. And I do open site, it goes to blog.builderallrockstar.com, and it shows me my WordPress. So very basic, of course. Hello world with the basic template. But that's it. It's created with my username James. And if I click on open admin, it goes to the login page of my WordPress site. So here I put James, my password. Remember me, login. And here I am in the back end of my WordPress site. So here you can customize, install plugins, do everything that is possible with WordPress. You have some plugins already installed, like WordPress file manager. So you don't need FTP access, because you don't have FTP access on Builderall. So you don't need it. With this, you can edit any file, upload files, install plugins, plugins that are not in the WordPress directory. Those you can install without FTP. Anyway, themes, templates, so you can install them. It's a perfectly working WordPress blog now available in Builderall. I recommend that you take the Builderall $69 per month, not the 29. You know, 69 is Builderall. Then the 29 is something else. It's just the basic of Builderall, and I don't recommend this one. I mean, $69 per month. That's all you need to pay for your entire business online. You know, you have a Magento for if you want to do an online store. It's like Shopify, but better, way better. And you have WordPress, you have a Pixel Perfect to do all your pages, your sales funnels, you have Canvas, you have a chat for chatbot, you have a lot of tools in the door. You don't need to buy other things. If you do need, then ask first in the Facebook group if you really need it. Because you should not need it at first. Only if you have really specialized needs, then yes, maybe you need to pay a subscription to something else. But for an email autoresponder, it's included in Builderall. You have a professional email autoresponder, so I don't see really what you need to pay more. And 69 is fine already per month. That's all you need for your digital marketing needs. And now with WordPress, and you can create many WordPress blogs, then there's no need for anything else, no web hosting elsewhere, except if you want to do PHP code. If you know, then you know that the Builderall is not enough for this. You cannot do PHP. But otherwise, for most people, sales funnel, everything you want, you can do with Builderall. That's really good. So check it out in the description. I have links if you want. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!